Hello friends, let's see how can we install the laravel. Here we are in a development folder, and I will initiate the command prompt first. Let's go to the command prompt, in which folder where I will install the laravel. So I will give this command. With this command I express that laravel will be installed under the example app folder, and if you want you can give the version number like this, which version you want to install. Let's say if you want to install laravel version 8, you can give like this, or if you want to install 7 or 9, you can give like this. So I want to install the latest version, so I haven't given anything. Let's press enter. So to start downloading the laravel. So here you go, laravel files being downloaded in the folder. It will take some time, and you see that in the folder structure there is already a folder has been created called example app. So here you go, it is laravel is being downloaded and being installed. Here you go, it's completed. So let's open our folder where we have installed laravel. Here you see every file, the environment file, the composer file. Let's open the composer file and see if everything is okay. We see here in the required tag, we see what PHP, what other packages has been installed. Here they are everything. So you can see the vendor folder here and the config folder where all the configuration is saved. So we have installed the laravel and let's run it. So I will write a command php serv. Okay, there's something wrong, sorry, I have to go to the folder cmd. Here I will run the php rt say run the php artisan php command, and you see the development server has been created. So let's test it. You see our laravel website is being shown in the browser. So our installation has been has been done properly. So in this way you can install the laravel and play with it. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So don't forget. Bye for now.